How to change YouTube location. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up YouTube. And once you do that, click on the profile picture or icon at the top right corner. Then click on settings. And here you want to click on general. And then scroll down till you find location and click on it. And here you will be able to change your location by selecting another region, say for example this one. And once you do that, your location will be changed to that specific place that you choose. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change your YouTube region. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.